Hey, hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to connect YouTube to Claude. So let's go. To connect Claude with YouTube, first open your browser first, then search for Windsor.ai. Once the result appears, click the first link and wait for the page to load. On the website, click the start for free button to get started. After entering the platform, click login in the top right corner and sign into your account. You can sign in with the Gmail or any other option you prefer. After logging in, go back to the search bar and the left side dashboard and type YouTube to locate the interrogation option. Select the YouTube option, then click sign in to Google. To linking your account process will begin. A login page will appear, processed by entering your Google account details. After login, choose your account you want to connect, then select next to confirm the connection. Once that's done, open a new browser tab and search for Claude. Click the main link to open it. Once inside, go to the customize section on the left side of the screen, then select connectors to manage your integrations. In the connectors menu, click on the add button at the top, then select browse connector, then use the search bar to look for Windsor.ai. When it appears, click the plus button to add it as a connector. When prompted for permission, click allow access to continue the connection process. So to allow the permission, you need to go back customize, then again connectors, and tap on the Windsor.ai connectors. Then allow the grant access all of them. You will see several tools permission option. Select the ones you need to so Cloud can interact properly with the connected services. Once setup is complete, return to the Cloud's main page. Find the input area. Type Windsor to start using the connector. After typing, select the prompt label explore your connectors. This opens a view showing all application linked through Windsor.ai, including your YouTube account. From here, you can confirm the connection is working and start using Claude to work with your YouTube data through the connector. These methods connect Claude to YouTube indirectly through Windsor.ai, which act as a bridge between the two platforms. So following this step in order to ensure everything is set up correctly, letting you access your YouTube data within Claude without switching between different tools or platform. That's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned for more update.